Okay, so the purpose of our number talk is to practice our mental math fluency. So remember, there's no pencils, no papers. You're trying to calculate it all in your head. We're working on 1 and 2 digit multiplication and division just to refresh those skills so that when we get to the PSSA, y'all have those skills ready to go. You don't need to be getting the scratch paper and the pencils out because really the PSSA, remember, it's all about time, being time efficient, and so we're practicing these skills. Quick review for those of you who weren't here for our last number talk. I'm going to put a problem up on the board and I'm going to give you guys time to solve the problem in your head. And then when you guys are ready, you're just going to give me a silent thumbs up. There's no talking. And we're going to wait until we have most of the class ready with their thumbs up to go. And then I'm going to ask for some solutions to our problem. And you're going to raise your hand. No shouting out, okay? Y'all feel good? All right, I'm going to go ahead and put our first problem up here. Can y'all see that okay? Mm-hmm. All right, y'all go ahead. Remember, silent thumbs up when you're done. Cache, would you get the door, please? Hey, Amari, take a seat in the back. Oh, thank you. Thank you. All right, I'm starting to see some thumbs up. Good. We still have a few people that need a little bit more time. Thank you, Amari. A few people need some more time. All right, go ahead and take another 10, 15 seconds. All right, could I have one person raise a silent hand and tell me what answer they got? Destiny? So we've got 180. Do I have anyone that got a different answer? Jada? You got 180? Okay, go ahead. Give me a little sign if you also got 180. Oh, what you got, Jonathan? Jonathan got 190. Do we have some other answers? Give me a little thumb wiggle if you agree with Jonathan's answer. Got some people that agree there. Give me a little thumb wiggle if you agree with 180, Destiny's answer. Okay, let's go ahead and break it down. Jonathan, how did you get 190?
I counted 36 times.
You counted 36 times? So you did 30 times 30, and what'd you get?
No. I did like 30.
Plus 30. So you did 30 plus 30 plus 30, so repeated addition 6 times. So you got 30 plus 30 plus 30. What did you get when you added 30 plus 30? 60 plus 30.
90.
And you got 90. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3 30s so far. And then you added another 30. And what did you get? You got 120. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4 30s. You added another 30 to that 120, and what'd you get? 150. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 30s, but you counted 6 30s. So we added another 30.
Wow.
It's okay, Jonathan. And what'd you get?
Oh, never mind. No, you already like
180. No, you're good, Jonathan. You're good. It's a little difficult to do it in our heads, right? To keep track of that in our heads. 36 times. Did anyone do it a different way? Destiny, 1 second. Let me go ahead and get us a new sheet over here. We're still doing 30 times 6. How did you do it, Destiny?
I did 30 over 6. 30 over 6.
30 over 6 like this?
No, just 30 and 6 under the arrow.
Oh, okay. So 30 over 6 like that. Can you all see in the back? Okay. Make sure my marker's there on me. And what'd you do here, Destiny?
I did 6 times the arrow.
Oh, okay. So you set it up like this. So you did 6 times 0, and what'd you get?
Yeah.
And then 6 times 3, and it gave you 18. There we go. How many people did it Destiny's way? Did I have anybody solve it another way? Milan, how did you solve it? Okay, so here, let's go ahead and split this up. So Milan went ahead for 30 times 6. So she went ahead and did 6 times 3, and which you knew was 18, and then she just brought her 0 down for 180. Okay? These are all really great methods. Let's go ahead and try a division problem. If I can get my paper to work. Here we go. All right, let's see. Let's do 7. We have 91 divided by 7. Okay? Go ahead and take a few seconds to go ahead and try to solve that on your own. Remember, no pencil, no papers, no calculators. When you're ready, silent thumbs up. Starting to see some thumbs. Let's make sure everyone has equal time. Kinda got it. Okay. Let's give a little bit more time until everyone's ready. Any more time? Let's make sure phones are off. All right, who's ready? Let me see the thumbs. If y'all need more time, that's okay. I just want to make sure y'all are paying attention and you're focusing. Good? All right, what are some answers that we got? Let me see a silent hand. Jada. No? Take it back, take it back. Andre, what'd you get? Andre got 13. 13. Do I have any other answers? Any other solutions? No? Give me a little thumb wiggle if you agree with Andre. That's 13. Okay, Andre, tell me how you figured it out. No, pass. Does anyone want to share their process with me? No. All right, Destiny.
I just got 87 to make my top. That's what it is.
Okay, so you just did 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, on and on and on until you got to 91. Did anyone else do it a different way? Cyan, how'd you do it?
I did it 7 times something that will equal 91.
Okay, so you're saying, okay, so this one was Destiny's way. So Cyan's telling us that she knew that 7 times something was gonna give us 91. So you knew that multiplying was gonna be the opposite of division. So if 91 divided by 7 gave us some answer, 7 times that answer would give us 91. So how did you figure out what went in the blank here? You just
Trying different numbers.
kept trying different numbers. Where'd you start? What was the first number you started with? What would be a good number to start with? I would say that 10 would be a good place to start because 10's easy, right? And I know that 10 times 7 is 70, which is kind of close to 91. So I know it's bigger than 10, right? But I feel like 10 would be a good place to start with because you know it's not 1, 2, 3, those smaller numbers because 91's a big number, right? So I would start with 10. With 70, we know that can't be it.
13.
What'd you try next?
13.
Well, we know that we're probably gonna get to 13, but Jonathan's saying that we should try 11. 7 times 11 gives us 77. That's still not it. What'd you do next, Cyan? Then you just did 12, and then, and 13. And when did you get to 91? When did you get to 91? When you did 7 times 13. That's what you did too? Give me a little thumb shake if you did the same way as Cyan. Awesome, awesome. That's a great method. Repeated addition, substitution, trial and error, all great ways. I really appreciate y'all's patience through this. We're gonna do one more, okay? Last one. We're gonna do another multiplication, but this one's 2-digit by 2-digit, okay? Okay, so we've got 32 times 50. Go ahead and take a few seconds, figure this out. So I'll get 2-digit by 2-digit. Silent thumbs up when you're ready. Tanisha, Shakura. If you're ready, give me a silent thumbs up. Alright, I'm seeing some thumbs. If you need more time, that's okay. If you need more time, that's okay. Alright, can I get a silent hand to tell me an answer? Tanisha, let me see a silent hand. Yes, Tanisha. 16,000? Do I have another solution, Destiny? 900? Do I have another solution? Jonathan? 1,600? Do I have another solution? Dennis? Was that here? All right, let's go ahead and break this down. Can I see a show of thumb wiggles if you got 16,000? Can I see some thumb wiggles if you got 900? Can I see some thumb wiggles if you got 1,600? All right, Tanisha, could you walk us through what you did here for 16,000? Ladies, keep it together, y'all. You don't want it? Okay, does I have anyone that wants to share their strategy with me? Jonathan. You okay? You good, Jada? Do you need to get some water? I know, it's going around, y'all. It's going around. So, Jonathan, what answer did you get, Jonathan? So, Jonathan got 1,600, and he counted 32. You added it 52 times?
I said 50.
Oh, sorry, 30. So, you added 32 50 times. 32 plus 32 plus 32, on and on and on, until you got 1,600. Do we have any other strategies? What did you do, Destiny? Let me make a note that this one's Jonathan's. So you did 32 over 50, or 50 over 32? There we go. And what'd you do? And what'd you get? So she did 2 times 0, and then 2 times 5, and what'd you get? How did you know to start with the 2 and not the 3? Group 4. Thank you. I'm sorry, Destiny. Yeah, because 2's the ones place. And then what'd you do? Uh-huh, and where did you put that? You put a placeholder here? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. And you got 15. So what'd you do next? That's okay. That's okay. But what'd you do next? And what'd you get? 1,600. Kind of small, but 1,600. So you added these up. Jonathan, come on. Okay. Do I have any other methods? Did anyone do it a different way? Tanisha, you don't want to share your method with us? You can still share it with us.
So is John, I got Jonathan's.
You got Jonathan's answer, but just with another 0? That's okay, that's okay. It happens. It's tricky to do it in our heads. All right. I want to show you guys one other method. We talked about it a little bit last time, but so same problem, 32 times 50. But do you guys remember our doubling and halving method that we talked about last time? You take one component of our, sorry, excuse me. We're going to take one component of our equation and we're going to double it. In this case, I'm going to choose to double our 50 to make it a clean, even 100. Nice, easy 100. And if I double our 50, that means I'm going to have our 32. And what is half of 32? 16. Thank you, Jonathan. So now I have 16 times 100. So in my head, I know that I can multiply our 1 times 16 and get 16. And then I can bring down my zeros for 1,600.
Oh, wow.
So that's our doubling. Wow, yeah, that was my reaction too when I found out about the doubling and halving method. So doubling and halving, you double one part of your equation, you half the other part. Y'all good? Thumbs up if you're good. Awesome, thanks y'all.